welcome back to my Taglish channel. So for today's video, guys, Jax and I, we are heading to, where we are heading, Jax?
We're going to Eastland.
We are going to Eastland for
Vaccination.
yeah, our second jobs, guys. So ayun, magpo-fully vaccinate na tayo, guys. So ang aming second dose for today. So I will bring you guys. So they transferred to the mall. So before they are, where are they before?
They're at like a function center or reception center across the road, so it's only just moved a few hundred meters down the road.
So, ayun na nga, guys. So, punta na kami kasi ang aming appointment. So, we book our appointment for today. We are may time kami ng 11:18, alright?
Yeah, something like that. I'm not sure if I'm exactly the same time as you, but it's within, very close together.
So, ayan, hinanda ko na ang ating arm. Ayan, tayo ay nag-blouse. Blouse talaga tayo today, guys, kasi mahirap naman mag-jacket. And today is a good weather also. I think it's a 23 later for today. So, guys, later, isasama namin kayo. Pero hindi ko alam kung makakapag-film tayo kasi madaming tao dun sa loob. So, madaming observer dun sa loob ng vaccination center. So, mamaya ulit, guys! This one is very dirty.
Yes, that's where the bug splat. I think that's when you were driving the other day, it hit the windscreen. I've tried everything, but I'm gonna have to like scrub it off. When I fill up in petrol, maybe tomorrow I'll get rid of it. Yeah, the top one makes it look better, but this one here keeps us fully stabilized.
Okay, guys, so we are now here in the vaccination. Yung
straight ahead, actually,
dulo.
yeah, the straight ahead is the green thing. Here we go, arm stud. We're going to get excellent 5G. 5G, we're going to become magnetic as well. Everything else, then we're going to shed.
You're gonna share?
Yeah. Good times.
So, ayun, guys, nandyan na. Good times daw.
Fancy roof. Oh, milks. You have to get your QR code, I think.
It's ate there. The video.
You know, where's my COVID updates? There we go.
Okay, guys. Jax.
Yes, I'm here.
Your name is there.
Oh yes, is that yours?
Na here. So we have a yellow thing here.
Yes, yellow.
Where's yung ano, Jax?
I think it's there somewhere.
Here, guys. So, ayun na guys. Nabas na kami magpa-jobs dito sa second dose namin.
Yeah, second dose. So we'll get our certificate in the next coming days, and then we'll have freedom on Friday and can go to cafes and eat out food.
Walang ano man.
Yes, yes, correct.
Ayun, malo. Take a photo. Okay guys, so kanina hindi ko na kayo na-update kung ano ang nangyari doon kasi nga bawal tayo mag-film, no photos because they're a privacy for safety for the practitioner and those people who work inside as well. So guys, pagpasok namin doon sa main entrance, somebody will ask us to scan our barcode or a scan through your phone na nag-check-in ka doon sa premises. So, after nun guys, if you're done and then you will show your appointment that you have appointment on that time, also we have an appointment. So, before you go there, you need to have appointment kasi nga hindi kayo papasokan without appointment. So, bawal ang walk-in. No walk-in allowed. So, yung pagkatapos nun, the guy will ask to take your temperature and then he will give you like a small circle, yellow circle, I think, because I think depends on the, I'm not sure if yellow sticker is for a second dose or depends, but we have a yellow sticker, circles, yellow sticker, and pagkatapos nun guys, we go to the person before pa dun sa main door. After the main entrance, we go to the half of the entrance. So, yung half na entrance, somebody will sanitize us and then she will ask me, are you a couple or you're just alone? If you're, kasi couple kami pumunta ni Jack, so dalawa kami, so we are together and she sanitized our hands, she give alcohol and she asked us to take it out our mask and then she provide a new mask for us. There's a N95 mask also and a surgical mask, which is the blue thing. So after nun guys, she asked us to enter the door, and then upon entering the door guys, there's a two person there that will get a details of you, like what's your birthday, what's your name, what's your full name, and then after full name, what is your address. You need to tell them your birthday, you need to tell them your address, and then you need to show them like the Medicard, which I will show you before. The Medicard is a card, it's like PhilHealth card in the Philippines, but Medicard is a all-in-one. So, lahat ng mga hospitalization, if you're a major surgery on that, Medicard is the like a discount card. It's not discount card, it's like a government card. Each people who live in Australia, you need to have that one. And then kasi doon nila ilalagay if you had the first vaccine, second vaccine, if you're lahat ng bakuna mo, the flu vaccine or other vaccination that you had, doon nila ilalagay is like a record also that you prove that you vaccine already vaccinated. So next after that, she asked us to go to the left line, which is the left line. Someone will escort you at the end of the line. So it's a big open air room guys, so for the vaccination. So each vaccination area, they have a 10 circle chairs, and then there's a person in the middle and there's a two person at the back. So the first person, she escort us to go to the vaccination area, and the person who escort us is asking if which vaccine we had before, if Astrazeneca and Pfizer. So Astrazeneca and Pfizer is the vaccine here in Australia, but there's a Moderna as well. So dito kasi dun sa nakuha namin, AstraZeneca, kasi ngayon Pfizer before. I remember when we nakalabas na kami sa hotel quarantine, yung day na yun, doon kami nagpa-vaccine afternoon of on that. So yung kinuha namin is AstraZeneca. So I think 6 weeks bago kami ngayon nakabalik. So after nun guys, there's a person who will escort us in the AstraZeneca, because yung kanan kasi meron ding Pfizer. Tapos yung kaliwa side naman ay AstraZeneca too. So, ayun na nga guys. So, there's a person who will interview again you. What's your name? She will jot it down or she will write in a sticker paper, and then sticker paper, your first name, your middle name, kasi nga may mga sila dyan. And then she will ask, is this your second jobs? Yes, this is our second jobs. So, pagkatapos nun, binigyan niya kami ng name namin na sticker. She put a sticker here. And she give us the designated chair na kung saan kami uupo ni Jax. And of course, she asked us if we're together. I said yes, and then she said that, okay, I will sit you together. So, para dalawa na lang kami dun sa practitioner na magbibigay ng vaccine sa amin. So, Jax is 2, I'm in number 4 because there's somebody in number 3. So, 2 and 4. So, hindi kayo magkatabi. So, meron dalawang practitioner who's the one who give the vaccine. So, they call it immunizer. O, vaccinator, ganun. Basta, practitioner siya nagbigay ng vaccine, guys. So, there's a question again. So, umupo kami dalawa ni Jax. So, tinanong niya kami kung ano yung na-feel namin sa first vaccine ng AstraZeneca. And yun nga, kasi si Jax meron siyang naramdaman mga symptoms, side effects, ganon. Pero kasi ako okay lang. Medyo lang yung after that vaccine, the next day, parang nag-sore na lang yung parang mabigat lang yung pakiramdam dito. Pero wala naman ako na ramdamang hello, wala akong naramdaman dizziness or a fever. So, sabi niya, once you have a fever or tiredness, dizziness like that, you just take Panadol or... So, the next one, guys, is... yun na, nag-check na ng mga checklist na pwede and questions. And then, so far, so good. She said that AstraZeneca is a good vaccine. Sabi nga nila, the moment. So, yun na nga. Tapos si Jax yung nauna, si Jax yung tapos tinanong niya nga yung medicard na naman, guys. Yung name, date, at saka yung kung saan ka nakatira. So, after nun, guys, yun na nga, nakanda na ang ating vaccine. So, nag-vaccine. So, here kasi sa Australia, kapag nag-vaccine sila, they don't even touch it. They don't even, pinch it. They just, straight like that. No pinch like this. Remember in the Philippines, when you will do the IM here, they will do like this one because it's a it's like a 4 fingers from your here, from the top, and then like that. So the below is the one you will put the vaccine, and then you will do like pinching it and then vaccine. Here they don't do that. They just do like this and then like that. If there's a backflow, they will do something, and then if there's no backflow, just put a cotton, and or sometimes if you're lucky, they will ask you, do you want a band-aid? So you will put a band-aid. So nung first vaccine kasi namin, nung first dose namin ni Jax, walang no blood reaction. So wala din tinanong kung gusto mo ng band-aid. So this time today, she asked us to, if you want to band-aid. I said yes please. So, di ba, para feel mo ang second dose ng iyong vaccine. So, fully vaccinated na po kami ni Jax ngayon. And I will tell you tomorrow if may reaction ba sa akin, may reaction ba kay Jax, guys. So, tomorrow, I will update you guys. Ngayon, nafe-feel ko after what is the time now? I think 3 hours now ngayon. Since we just get our jobs 11:18, something like that. Or before past 11 a.m. So, we'll find out ngayon kasi medyo na-feel na ang ating mga balikat dyan. Ayan. Diba? Meron na tayong ganyan. Diba? Medyo mababa lang. Diba kasi dapat dito yun. Diba? Medyo mababa ngayon. Pero, yun na nga guys. Bukas, update ko na naman kayo. Okay? See ya tomorrow. Hi guys! So now guys, today is Thursday 21 nighttime na guys. So, yesterday guys, ito yung continuation yung kahapon. Kasi kahapon, if you remember guys, ay pa-vaccine kami ni Jax ng aming second dose ng AstraZeneca guys. Ang tawag kasi ni Jax doon ay Astrazeneca guys. So, ngayon, tatanungin natin si Jax kung ano yung mga naramdaman niya of if there's any side effects na naramdaman niya today or last night hanggang ngayon, or is it different from the first dose na meron siya. Okay guys, so Jax. So,
Feel fine. The first dose, I felt fine all day of the day I got it, but then the next day I think I woke up at like 4 a.m. with like really bad sweats and headache for the day. But then I got fine. But now the second dose, haven't felt any side effects at all. So yeah, what are we, more than 24 hours now since our first dose, and no side effects. Haven't felt a thing. So no, all good.
yeah, so the practitioner yesterday said that second dose there's no side effect at all.
Yeah. I mean, even sports found the same thing. The first dose, I don't think you had any side effects on the first dose, and the second dose was fine as well. It didn't feel any different. So, in all, yeah, it's great. And I guess as of tomorrow, we'll have freedoms.
Okay, thank you, Jax.
Walang problema.
Clap. Okay guys, so ayun na nga guys, wala naramdaman si Jax. So sa kanyang AstraZeneca pala. So ako naman, wala din ako naramdaman. Medyo mabigat lang, not very mabigat, very light lang siya. Kagabi, tapos kanina umaga, light na, mabigat lang yung braso mo, pero wala naman akong chills, fever, and etc. So on and so forth, guys. So, ayun na nga, guys, ang ating experience, our first jobs and second jobs ng ating vaccine, na AstraZeneca, guys, and sa mga hindi pa nag-vaccine dyan, I hope na magpa-vaccine na kayo, guys. Huwag kayong makinig sa mga haka-haka, sa mga maling misinformation guys, kasi you need to protect yourself, not only yourself but your family and your loved ones guys, kasi hindi naman porket naka-vaccine ka na ay safe ka na. You need to still protect yourself. Hindi naman 100% na kapag fully vaccine ka na or fully vaccinated ka na nga ay hindi ka makakakuha ng kurikong. Or the virus nga, yun nga. Basta kurikong siya, guys. Okay? So, that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy our vaccine experience, guys. And wala naman kaming side effects. Hindi katulad ng una na si Jax, nagkaroon siya ng chills, fever dun sa kanyang first jobs, and now wala naman siya naramdaman. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for listening. Mega love shoutout to each wonderful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my hypothalamus. Please like if you did enjoy my video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po. And see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys. Be good. You take care. Be safe. And ciao lang.